Welcome to a closer look at the SumKea bar table and chairs set of 3, perfect for small spaces. This modern round bar table with stools features a sleek gray particleboard surface and a sturdy black iron frame for durability and style. Each stool offers a comfortable 13.4-inch wide seat cushion upholstered in soft PU leather with a supportive curved backrest and foot ring. The table supports up to 200 pounds with a middle shelf for additional storage holding up to 70 pounds. Assembly is quick and easy, taking about 30 minutes with clear instructions included. Cleaning is simple with a quick wipe to keep surfaces looking fresh. Enjoy a practical and stylish dining or drinking space that fits seamlessly into your kitchen or living room. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.